was a huge turnout and a positive response over the weekend, as various home seekers from all walks of life gathered at an event organized by Destiny of Africa Network. The initiative is in line with Zimbabwe's National Development Strategy, which seeks to transform urban communities in line with the President's vision for national development.
Destiny of Africa Network has come up with innovative housing projects and schemes designed to cater for almost every class or sector in our society. For example, we are targeting 200,000 housing units by 2030 as our role to complement the efforts of the President, Comrade Emerson Mnangagwa, Vision 2030. We believe that meaningful development in any nation should be driven by the citizens. Just like if you go to any other country, the government has clearly articulated a vision, national vision of the Zimbabwe we want, the Zimbabwe we desire to have. And the President Mnangagwa has said by 2030, this nation should be at this economic level, social level, and so forth. So Destiny of African Network is complementing the efforts of the government. We are not new in this. In fact, from October, we'll be celebrating 25 years of the ministry of preaching the gospel, also providing or executing practical programs to change the social status of the people. Our housing programs are tailor-made. We have a program under these ones that we are launching, which we are running under your special, we call it special personal payment plan for your stand and house. Why I say stand and house? Some people are willing to get stands, then they build on their own. Some people are willing to get a stand and also get a house, assisted by us to develop their homes. The purpose of Destiny of Africa Network is to target those who cannot be considered bankable people, informal traders, vendors, low income earners, teachers, nurses, but our main target are pastors. My brother, the church has been dwelling so much on a belief that says we have no home on earth, and many pastors are getting old without a retirement home, without a family home. When they die, their families are becoming miserable and are suffering.
In comparing his organization with land barons, Reverend Musindo challenged journalists to join and observe the scheme so that they can witness its authenticity.
We have got a project for you. You guys have got a tendency of reporting too many things without actually participating. If you want to see how genuine we are, I'm inviting all journalists to come and benefit. Then you talk about the sweets you are eating, not what you heard about people saying this sweet is too sweet, this sweet is sour. I want all journalists to come. We are going to set aside a certain percentage of our projects for those who are working in media houses, because they are critical, they are very important. We are also targeting nurses, we are also targeting doctors, we are targeting teachers. We want to complement the efforts of our great visionary leader, President Emerson Mnangagwa. We have got over 50,000 people who benefited from Destiny of Africa Network housing projects since the year 2002. That's when we started this. We started economic empowerment projects. Then in 2002, we started housing projects. Many people, many thousands of people have benefited. As we are speaking, right now we are standing here. We've got different pieces of land. And we are here to announce to our people what we have got. Then they make their own choices. Some who prefer to be in low density, medium density, high density. Some who prefer to be in the Eastern Harare, Southern Harare, Western Harare, Northern Harare. So you choose We have done this. Many people have benefited in their thousands from Destiny of Africa. So we're not new in this game, and we don't want to be associated. In fact, if we wanted money, the small pieces of land we've got, we should have commercialized it instead of socializing it. When I say socializing it, we are running a social housing project, not for profit, but for the poor, for low-income earners, teachers, police officers, civil servants, general workers. We are even expecting domestic workers to benefit from our housing projects. When we say special personal payment plan, we are saying we sit down with you. You are a farmer. This one is a miner. This one is a vendor. This one is an informal trader, cross border. This one is a diasporan. You can't mix all of them together. So we are having specializing vehicles to say on this project. Even you journalists, we've got a project for you. We're also targeting nurses. We're also targeting doctors. We're targeting teachers. We want to complement the efforts of our great visionary leader, President Emerson Mnangagwa.
And what are the terms for those who want the
we
address where we can find
our housing stands. We start on 6 months to 60 months, which is 5 years. You're given 5 good years to pay for your stand. Bichana uchibhadhara stand yako. You see, bichana kwete zonzi uya nemari vakawanda vanokwatira tengese mastand. We don't sell stands. We work with you from the stage 1 right up to the last stage. You see this meeting, we'll be back here in October, end of October, informing people of developmental stages. That's what we are in Destiny of African Work.
And where is this land located?
Okay, we've got land in Tafara. We've got land in Zimri Park there. We've got land in Snake Park. We'll be inviting you very soon to see us making groundbreaking ceremonies. Very soon. In fact, there will be an official launch of these projects where all stakeholders, including government ministers, church bishops, key leaders, will be invited. Yes. Another thing, thousands of jobs for the youths are going to be created in the manufacturing or production of building materials.
Reporting for Pahasha TV, I'm Alphonse Manyara in Harare.